இந்த யூடியூப் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். உங்களுக்கு உடனே வீடியோ வரணும்னா பக்கத்தில் இருக்க பெல் பட்டனை வந்து கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள்.
Spherical polar coordinates. Consider three coordinate system x, y and z. X, y and z. Consider the position p with respect to three axes x, y, z. The position vector is from the origin is r. So the spherical polar coordinate system consists of concentric spheres about the origin, right circular cones about z axis with the vertices at the origin, half planes through the plane through the z axis, and phi is longitudinal or azimuthal angle, that is the angle between the positive x axis and xy plane. So this is the azimuthal angle phi, this is the angle theta. So position of the vector represented by x comma p of x comma y comma z. So now we can see the spherical polar coordinate system consists of concentric spheres. First, for concentric spheres about the origin. So from this we can get r equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square equal to constant. And second one, write circular cones about z axis. Write circular cone about z axis with the vertices at the origin. So we can get this is a right angle triangle here, this is hypotenuse r, this is along z axis, that is considered this is z. So adjacent side is z, opposite side this is opposite side. So we need that along z axis, that's why we can get the cos theta value. So cos theta equal to adjacent side z by hypotenuse r. So theta equal to cos inverse of z by r equal to constant. Next one is half planes through the z axis. So this is azimuthal angle phi, that is the angle between the positive x axis and the xy plane. So from this we can get this is opposite side, so this is adjacent side. So opposite side is nothing but this is y axis, so this is parallel to the x, that's why this is y, this is value of x. So then we can get tan phi equal to opposite y, this is opposite y, and adjacent side x. Then we can get phi equal to tan inverse of y by x. So phi equal to tan inverse of y by x. From figure, the transformation between rectangular coordinates x comma y comma z and spherical coordinates r, theta and phi. X equal to r sin theta cos theta, y equal to r sin theta sin phi. This is x equal to r sin theta cos phi, y equal to r sin theta sin phi, and z equal to r cos theta. And q1 equal to r and q2 equal to theta, q3 equal to phi, that is spherical coordinates r, theta and phi, and r1 equal to 1, r2 equal to r, and r3 equal to r sin theta. So after that we can find the gradient, divergence and curl also. So keep watching, subscribe and share.